This is a quick room tour of our room at our hotel here at the Best Western in Steubenville. You got a very hard to work out DirecTV. You got your Franciscan Square directory for the TV that lists all the channels. We have a nice little desk over here with a chair. You can see outside. Oh, see that? You can see outside. And then over here you've got a very uncomfortable bed. My experience with this bed was very uncomfortable last night. These are so hard and these pillows are so uncomfortable. I hope I never have to sleep in that bed again. But I had to last night. And in here, you got the good book right there, of course, like every other hotel has. You've got your guest directory in here. Here is the bathroom. Oh, look in the mirror, who do you see? Hey. You got your bathroom. And look in the mirror again, who do you see? Hey. You've got your bathroom. Here's the bathtub, which was very... I didn't have enough leg room. I mean, the hotel is nice and it's clean, but sometimes, you know, like when I got a bath, I didn't have enough leg room. And they do provide towels in here, as you can see. And there's the John Paul II Library. It's a 1987 Dover up the hill. Like I said, you got your sink, got your toilet. There's a Bemis Satchel. Here's your towel. But I mean, the hotel's clean all in all, but the sleep last night in the bathtub, it was very uncomfortable. There's your safe. But it is a nice hotel, though, like I said. Clothes hangers. We are in room 108. There is a map of the hotel. There are the two Schindler 330As. But we are staying in room 108. I like the carpet in here. You got another seating area over here. Here's one last look of the room. I know I may be terrible at hotel room tours, but I'm trying to hurry this up because apparently we'll be back in any minute now, any moment now, so I will show you the outside of the room. I hope and pray I don't get locked out. Oh, this is like, hello. This is there's a key card and we are in room. Gotta go. Room 108. Right there. See that? Room 108. I want to get the guy on camera. There's a hotel hallway, and the Schindlers are right down that. Right down where the tile is, right past the pillars. And that just takes you focus. Focus, focus, focus. That just takes you outside. So, yeah, I hope you guys... Oh, and then you got this microwave here. And you got a refrigerator in there. Got a coffee pot right there. No, a cock pot, or whatever it is. With a cup. So, I mean, it is a nice hotel, but my sleep last night was not comfortable. And my bath wasn't so comfortable as well. There's your air conditioner. I mean, your thermostat. And there's the fire alarm up there. And I know what's funny about the thermostat? There's the sprinklers right there. See that? There's the sprinklers. And there's a smoke alarm. And I know what's funny about that thermostat right there? That's how you control this thing right here. Look what it says there. See that? So that's how you control that. So, alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this hotel tour. Room tour. Be sure to stay tuned for a hotel tour eventually. Please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And get us a free 100 subscribers if we can by the end of April or the beginning of May. It'd be much appreciated. Alright. And that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Peace out.